Shh. You gotta think that we're fighting.
I have a girlfriend. Get away from me.
Y'all are probably thinking, what the heck is a winter arc? Winter arc this, winter arc that. I didn't even know what a winter arc was until I hopped on YouTube and like a bunch of people were making videos about it. It is the last few months until the end of the year where you have to stay consistent, be disciplined in your routines. A lot of people end up slacking towards the end of the year because they're probably thinking like, oh, like I'm just gonna start my goals for the new year. I'm just gonna like be a new person. Whoever made the idea of maybe starting your goals at the start of the year instead of maybe the end of the year, that doesn't make any sense. Hi, I'm Angelica, and if you're new here, I do lifestyle entertainment type of vlogs. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to join the #Angel family. Now let's get started. My step one into my type of wellness routine, whatever makes me stay focused, is making my daily matcha. This gives me a boost to caffeine. I'm awake, I'm alerted, I'm fixated on things I want to be fixated on. And you have a really good drink on top of that. So that's what you saw me making with Nami Matcha. I love your mom Ashley's freaking brand. It's honestly insane. I haven't tried the other hojicha powder that she had, but you guys, now that we got the first step done into having that boost of caffeine, boost of energy, whatever you need to get through the rest of the day, or to even get yourself out of the bed to start being productive. Usually I do Pilates once a week and I incorporate some exercise routines into the gym. And then I go to the gym once or twice a week to incorporate some light cardio. I've been doing incline treadmill, which is really good. Every single time, I kid you not, that I hop out of that treadmill, I feel so much better. So easy. You just plop up your freaking favorite movie, favorite TV show, your YouTube videos or whatever, TikToks. You scroll and by the time it's 15-20 minutes, it's over. I'm in my introvert era right now, and so the weather is not really helping. There's not a lot of things to do in Washington either, especially with it being rainy, wet, muggy. It's cold outside, you know? So with that in mind, it's very hard for me to get out of the apartment and kind of just like going to the gym itself, like it's an extra step. My last two vlogs, I've been kind of incorporating my gym routine, and that's something I'm gonna be showing you guys again today and staying productive. But who wants to see my fit check? I got my Aritzia TNA bra, and then also these Aritzia TNA sweatpants that I wore last time because they're baggy and also it's not tight at all. It doesn't feel restricting. I'm gonna put my Aloe sneakers on and then we're gonna meet you guys at the gym. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you dancing. So I dance with you.
I have a girlfriend.
Why you dancing?
I have a girlfriend.
Shh. You gotta think that we're fighting.
I have a girlfriend. Get away from me. Arrest her.
Well, that was quite a workout that we had. I love having daily movement. Lately, obviously, I haven't been as good with my wellness routine. I've been kind of like going to the gym once a month instead. I'm trying to incorporate, like I said, 2 or 3 times a week with some type of wellness movement. It could be like cardio treadmill incline, or it could be going to Pilates, light, weightlifting at the gym. But right now we're gonna go to the hub and we're gonna put myself on grind for about 30 minutes, D&D. Let's get to work and be productive, guys. Hello, good morning. It is the next day. Part of my winter arc is to always kind of maintain beauty care, what I'm happy with, and that is getting my nails done once a month. I know a lot of girls that like get their nails done every 2 weeks. That used to be me, girl. Okay, but sad to say, nails are so expensive, and no, I cannot learn at home because 1, I'm not creative at all in that type of aspect, and number 2, every single time I want to get my nails done, it's not just a regular color. You know what I mean? These are what my nails look like right now. I did have cat eye originally. I am seeing my independent nail artist today. The fact that these are my natural nails, girl. Right now, I'm waiting for my nail tech to arrive. She is about 10 minutes late, which is funny because I'm usually the one late to a lot of my appointments or just anywhere that I need to be. But I am on a schedule, and today I'm going to be filming a lot of short form videos in terms of like nail salon, going alone, all that stuff. This is going to be so exciting, you guys. I'm not even kidding. When I get my nails done, I feel so refreshed and so happy. So let's go in. I'm going to show you guys what everything looks like. Hello, welcome back to another day in this vlog. So I hope you guys first of all liked my nails. I cannot get over how perfect these are. I know in low lighting it looks kind of weird because you can see through, but I've seen tortoise nails before where it's like the entire nail instead of French tip, but you know what? These baddies, okay, are ready to come out to play for Thanksgiving. So subtle. It doesn't scream loud. And on top of that, the gold flakes, please. That was amazing. That was the whole cherry on top. Probably thinking, how is the nail salon kind of fitting into the winter arc? I don't know about you, but I have to have my either bi-weekly or monthly type of like beauty appointment. That's what makes me feel so refreshed, like a lady. It makes me feel new. It makes me feel confident. It's just radiating positive energy. So after I'm getting my nails done, my lashes done or whatever, and by the way, I got my lashes done today, but I didn't vlog it, only because there was honestly nothing else to vlog, like me closing my eyes for the next hour and a half. Please. But also when I go to the nail salon or take my beauty appointments, I usually film content when I'm there, which motivates me to work even more and get creative with the type of videos that I'm putting out for y'all to see. Example A, my nail salon type of series where I go to nail salons or go to like different nail techs and try like a new type of design and kind of vlog it, like the entire process behind it. I know some of y'all be eating that up. Anyways, the next step into your winter arc era is to do a to-do list. Now it is currently the afternoon time right now, and so usually I would do this in the very start of the morning, but if you are having a late start, no problem. As y'all have seen in my previous vlogs, I usually take my sticky notes. It could be something plain and simple with like a sticky in the backhand, or just something like this where you can keep on top of your desk. Get a pen and I write out my to-dos. Like I write out good 4 bullet points that I kind of want to conquer today, and it's like I can't go out and hang out with my friends, or I can't go to sleep unless I finish literally most of it. Let's say I finished 3 but I didn't finish 4. Like I want to at least start on the 4th one, like if I need more time the next day to kind of like sort everything out, edit everything, and not rush myself. Today instead I kind of just did my to-do list and I posted it on my Instagram story. I feel like some people are kind of curious, kind of just posted that to keep myself more accountable and also to let my followers in on kind of like a BTS on like, what exactly am I doing as a full-time content creator? I'm not just sitting at home every single day, like chilling, relaxing, no work, no grind, no creativity, nothing. Like I'm just here, I'm existing. Wrong. I promise you, if you guys write down your actual tasks as to like what you want to be able to do, you will be more than motivated to do that versus having a bunch of like to-dos, you know, in your head and it's like not all sorted out. Like you need to have it physically somewhere. You can cross it out with a highlighter, you can cross it out on your notes pad, like whatever. But take initiative, okay? Be responsible and actually get these things done instead of just like, okay, I need to clean the house today. Oh yeah, I need to like ship something out or like I need to work on this project. Like there's just so many things in the human brain, just don't combust. Now the next step to the winter arc, and I've also mentioned this previously on one of my other productivity videos, which I'm really excited to talk about a little bit more here, but do you guys use Pinterest? Like at all? If you do, what do you usually use it for? I'm curious because in order to truly visualize exactly what you want to be manifesting or like all the goals you want to be able to accomplish by the end of the year or like in X amount of months or whatever, like you need to have inspiration, okay? It could be a video, it could be a picture, it could be a quote, right? A pretty quote that has something pretty in the background. I don't even know. But I use Pinterest not as like a content creator, but more of like for inspiration in terms of like, okay, I'm gonna make my vision board. And if you guys don't know what a vision board is, basically you go on Pinterest and it doesn't have to be public or anything like that. It could be very private, kind of like a private diary. That's kind of how I treat it in a way, where you look up a bunch of photos or like things that you see, you resonate with, you save it, you pin it, okay, to your folder basically. And that is like your whole board. That helps you envision literally everything that you can grab, okay? Like I'm not even kidding. For example, like I want to be a homeowner once my freaking lease like ends. Like I don't want to live in an apartment like all year round every single year. Like I want to be able to have my own privacy, my own space. I do have 2 dogs, you know what I mean? Eventually when I do have a family in the future, I don't want to live in an apartment. Not that anything is wrong with an apartment, it's just depending on your type of living situation and your preferences. I don't know. I just think there's more privacy because I am a very loud person. I am a content creator, so I really hope that you guys, you know, jump into this winter arc in your way that you feel the most comfortable at your own speed. No one's telling you that you have to be a brand new person in a month. Fall in love with the process of getting there instead of like the end goal. I think I need to actually like print that quote out. We're gonna head out right now, but thank you guys so much for watching. We'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye! Coast.